I'm a senior history major from Bozeman, Montana, and today I'm going to be showing you the TCU Student Health Kits. These kits will be distributed to students upon move-in and will be able to be picked up by off-campus students at a time next week that will be determined. The first thing in the TCU Student Health Kit is this safety opener. It works on doors and buttons to minimize contact. The second thing is this hand sanitizer. It comes on a carabiner so you can attach it to your backpack and take it with you. Then we have the reusable face covering and the digital thermometer, and it all comes in this reusable bag. Finally, we have this reusable water bottle and the student pledge, which details the symptoms of COVID, talks about what to do if you think you may have it. It also tells us that it's our responsibility to protect ourselves, protect each other, and protect the campus. Protect the purple.